Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about why machine health monitoring is important. Let's jump right into it. It is crucial for maintaining operational efficiency, maximizing equipment uptime, and minimizing maintenance costs in industrial settings. Here are some reasons why machine health monitoring is important. Early fault detection. By continuously monitoring machine health indicators, potential faults or anomalies can be detected at an early stage, allowing for proactive maintenance interventions to prevent catastrophic failures and production disruptions. Optimized maintenance planning. Machine health data enables maintenance teams to prioritize maintenance tasks based on actual equipment condition and performance, optimizing maintenance schedules, resource allocation, and inventory management. Improved equipment reliability. Proactive monitoring of machine health parameters helps identify recurring issues, underlying causes, and areas for improvement, leading to enhanced equipment reliability, longevity, and overall asset performance. Reduced downtime and costs. Timely detection and resolution of machine health issues minimize unplanned downtime, production losses, and emergency repair expenses, resulting in cost savings and improved operational efficiency. Enhanced safety and quality. Monitoring machine health can help identify safety risks associated with malfunctioning equipment, ensuring a safe working environment for operators and preventing accidents or quality defects resulting from equipment failures. Overall, machine health monitoring enables organizations to adopt a proactive maintenance strategy, optimize asset management practices, and achieve operational excellence in today's dynamic manufacturing environment. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.